Hey guys and gals, today we're going to show you how to service your Festo air ram. So here, you get a thread that you're going to undo, and you're going to come down here, you're going to take off this clip, remove this pin, and be able to pull the ram out for service on the bench. So we've got our ram out, and we're going to take it apart and service it. So you just want to put it in your vise and then you can take it apart. You've got 4 Allen keys here and 4 here. So that's your size 6 Allen key for all of these. And bolts look like that. Okay, so once you've gotten that off at the size 6, the end cap there, you're going to take a size 8 and remove the internal ones. And those look like that. So you're just going to take out all these 4 and do the same process for the other side. Yeah. Alright, then you want to take a plastic mallet and ooh, I had a lot of water, and then you get your end cap off. So you're going to clean up all of that nasty gunk. You can see seals in there. You can see there we got a lot of moisture that we don't want and an awful lot of grime, congealed grime. Yuck. We're going to clean all that out, get it nice and tidy. And out our 4 8mm screws. Again, we're going to take that plastic part and just get it on the side, loosen it up, and then you can remove it. Ooh, look at all that water. Not good. And just pull that apart. You can see in there all that gunk that we need to clean out. Yeah, just lots of gooey gunkness. We'll give it a clean and reassemble it. So we're just going to spray them down with the greaser and then you let them soak. You can see we've taken apart the seals here. So you want to take them apart, give them a nice clean up. Some degreaser, clean them off, and then we'll reassemble everything. Alright, so now we've got all of our nice clean parts and pieces, so we'll reassemble it, and we've got some CRC lubricant that we're packing it with for optimal performance. Nice and clean, look at that. So these are your seals. You want to make sure they're not cracked or damaged in any way. If they are, you should probably get a new seal kit. These look pretty decent. So this is our Festo DNC 63 100 PPVA. And now it's all clean inside. We're gonna reassemble. Put our seals in there like so. And just slide it onto the shaft. Like so. Now we're going to insert it back into the ram. And we made our marks at the top to make sure that we are reassembling it correctly. And you can tap it lightly. Side note, it doesn't matter which 4 you use because they all have the internal, so you guys can see it there, thread screws. So go ahead and put these 4 back. We're going to put a little bit of CRC on this just to help lube it in there. You don't want to pinch the seal. bolts back in. And then you want to just tighten with your 8mm, get all those down, and then we'll put on our end cap and the other 4 bolts. So we got it lubed up with the CRC, you can tell it's functioning better. And now all that's left to do is we'll put on our end cap, lining it up with the lines we made at the start. And put in our 4 bolts like so, tightening with our 6mm. Yes. And then we'll be ready to reinstall. Alright, so now we have our nicely serviced ram. Again, if you needed the number, there it is. Pause the video right there, and we'll go ahead and reinstall it. And so for install, you're going to turn it up there, put the threaded end in, then put your pin and your clip in, and you'll be all done. Alright, and like we said, screw it in up top, come down here, put in the pin, reinstall the clip, and you are ready to go. So thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys back for the next one.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at gearheadgirl69.